Hey guys, getting kind of exciting around here, man. Tell you what, well, Monday I'm going to have 5 employees here at Fix-A-Fence. Well, 6 because I've hired my granddaughter as my secretary. So yeah, things are picking up around here at Fix-A-Fence LLC. And hey, by the way, that commercial for Rip City Radio, that's happening real soon. Next Wednesday I have an appointment down at KEX Radio Studio. This will be the first time ever I will be on the radio. Today's the day, guys. I got to go in for the first ever Fix-A-Fence LLC KEX radio commercial. Man, and I am excited. I got 2 commercials set up. I did them. I got 30 seconds to say it in. Got it written down. So I think it's going to happen. I've tested myself a couple of times. I'll do it again. But anyway, hey, check this out. They said that I could take my GoPros, my Canon. I'm even going to take my Mavic Air 2S, and we're going to get some pictures from the sky, and they okayed it. So you're going to see that video right now. Hey guys, I made it here to the KEX radio station here at the studio here. Look at this thing behind me here. We're going to go into that place, and I'm going to get in the studio, and we're going to give you a recording of Fix-A-Fence LLC for our first commercial ever. Check this out. All right, here we go. Here at iHeart Media, getting ready to get out. 3rd floor. Here it is. And here it is. Yay. That's right. Getting ready for the studio production of the first ever Fix-A-Fence LLC radio commercial. Is your fence leaning? Have you been meaning to call for a fence estimate? Don't have the tools or time to get your fence back in line? Call Fix-A-Fence LLC, 503-935-2331. From the smallest of fence repair to the complete wood or chain link fence install, Fix-A-Fence LLC can do it all. So why wait for the larger fence company to give you a fence estimate? Call Fix-A-Fence LLC, where the estimate's free, 503-935-2331. Or visit fixafencellc.com. The schedule fills up quick, so call today and schedule your fence estimate with Fix-A-Fence LLC. Mending broken fences. Is your gate sagging and dragging? Has that stopped you from bragging about your fence? So all you need is that broken fence post, remove and replace to put that smile back on your face? Call Fix-A-Fence LLC, 503-935-2331. From the smallest of fence repair to the complete wood or chain link fence install, Fix-A-Fence LLC can do it all. Schedule your fence estimate today. Fix-A-Fence LLC, mending broken fences.